Francois Abad.
Number 10.
Grabe, ayaw ko dito.
Number 9. Number 9. With a grade of 99.35, Tristan Cosino. Puro matatangkad. 10, 9. Number 8. With a grade of 99.45, Peng Xia. Okay, you're there. 10, 9, 8. Number 7, 102, Marisa Tolentino.
Woo! Woo! Ilan ang one?
Number 6. Number 6.
Meron. Ito.
Erika Tanaka, 106.
Sir, nag-CR po.
Ano number? So, number 5. With a grade of 105.85, Kagitla. Number 4, with a grade of 106, Eduardo Bartolome Monte. Number 3, with a grade of 108. Actually, they're tied. No? 1 and number 3 are all 108. Okay, Mercedes Castro. Eugenio Custodio, and Joyce Ann Brasilia. They're all number 1 to 3. Huh? So this is score of 1 to 8. Okay. Now, pass your papers to the center.
Ayan.
Okay. Center people, pass it forward. Balsit, pakinang ayos to doors. So we'll know the group, no? Okay na.
Stop na. Stop na.
Ayos to doors.
Stop ko na.
Bilis
Stop.
And, well, special mention, number 11, Jacob Harvey. Jacob. And,
We have to switch 10 and 9.
tama na. Kasi, okay, Tanaka, you're number 5. Pakistan, number 6. Okay, are you ready for the second race? Okay. Where's Tanaka? Okay. Could you call it line? Okay. ABS, are you taking pictures?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, let's call on the views. Who's the views? Could you congratulate them from top 10 to number 1? Okay. Congratulate yourself. And okay, who's the escort? Congratulate them from number 10 to number 1. Babae yan, congratulate. Okay. Who's the Vice President? Vice President, would you congratulate them? Okay, President. Congratulate you sila. Balik ka, kasi Sita na ba? Okay, the goat is here right here. Okay, while we are waiting for Tanaka and there's a competition, just stand there. Number 12. Gao Yunpi, number 12, no? No, you don't have to stand up. You want to go in? Number 12, huh? Good. Ali Lindbergh. And the vote of the class, which I will invite in front, si Jonas is Okay, stand up everyone. Huwag mo ito kami. Tumakas na kayong tao. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Let's do hands together. Let's do hands meeting the advances slide. Okay, because announcing the top 10 of the studio section. Raise your hand.